Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find for Mother's Day celebrations. If you're looking to make this Mother's Day extra special, I've got just the thing for you. The 12-piece Mother's Day table decoration set. These honeycomb centerpieces are designed to bring joy and elegance to any Mother's Day gathering. These decorations are not just your ordinary table decor. They come in a variety of charming designs, from tulips to crowns, all crafted with high-quality materials that ensure durability and a vibrant finish. Each piece is made from heavy-duty double-sided cardstock and honeycomb orbs, featuring a photo-like shine that's both waterproof and tear-resistant. This means they'll stay looking fresh and beautiful throughout your celebration. What I love about these decorations is how easy they are to set up. It literally takes seconds. Just peel off the glue dot sticker, unfold the honeycomb, attach the cardstock pattern on both sides. And voila! You've got yourself a stunning centerpiece ready to brighten up your Mother's Day table. Whether you're hosting a brunch, dinner, or a simple family gathering, these decorations are perfect. They're not just for tables either. You can place them on your mantel, side tables, or even use them as part of a larger decorative arrangement. They're incredibly versatile and add a touch of festive spirit wherever you put them. And here's the best part. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed. If for any reason you're not completely happy with your purchase, the company offers a full refund or replacement within 30 days. It's always reassuring to know that you're buying with confidence. So, whether you're planning an intimate gathering or a grand celebration, these Mother's Day table decorations are a must-have. They're affordable, easy to set up, and most importantly, they'll make Mom feel truly special. Trust me, these are the best Mother's Day decorations for table setups that you'll find on the market. Click the link in the description below to get yours in time for Mother's Day. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This script highlights the key features, benefits, and selling points of the product while encouraging engagement and a call to action for viewers.